Imagine this. You are living in the United Kingdom. Maybe you are walking down a busy street. Maybe you are sitting in a small cafe. Or maybe you are standing at your workplace while people around you are talking comfortably in English. You can hear everything clearly. In fact, you understand most of what they are saying. Their jokes make sense. Their conversations feel familiar. You even nod your head sometimes because you know exactly what is going on. But then something happens. Someone turns to you and asks a simple question. Maybe they say, "What do you think about this?" Or, "How was your weekend?" And suddenly, everything changes. Your mind goes blank. The words that you know disappear. You hesitate. You feel a small pressure inside your chest. And instead of speaking freely, you give a short answer. Something like, "It was good," or "Yeah, I think it's fine." And just like that, the conversation ends. If this has ever happened to you, then listen carefully, because what you are experiencing is not a lack of English knowledge. Your English is not weak. In fact, your English is already good enough. The real problem is something much deeper, something that most learners never understand. The problem is not your English. The problem is how your brain is using English in real-life situations. Let's understand this in a very simple way. There are two types of English inside your mind. The first type is passive English. This is the English you understand. When you listen, when you read, when you watch videos, your brain recognizes the words. This is why you feel confident when you are consuming content. But the second type is active English. This is the English you use when you speak. This requires your brain to create sentences instantly, without delay, without fear, and without overthinking. And this is where most people struggle. The truth is, understanding English and speaking English are two completely different skills. Just because you understand something does not mean your brain is trained to produce it. Think about it like this. Imagine you watch a professional football match every day. You understand the rules. You understand the strategies. You know what the players are doing. But if someone suddenly puts you on the field and asks you to play, will you perform at the same level? Of course not, because watching is not the same as doing. And this is exactly what is happening with your English. Now, here is the most important thing you need to understand. Your brain is not designed to speak perfectly from the beginning. Your brain is designed to learn through repetition, through experience, and through small mistakes. But most learners make one big mistake. They wait. They wait until they feel ready. They wait until their grammar is perfect. They wait until their vocabulary feels strong enough. And because of this waiting, they never actually train their brain to speak. In the UK, conversations move fast. People do not pause and think about grammar before speaking. They do not build perfect sentences in their head. They simply express their thoughts naturally. And this speed is what creates pressure for learners. Because while you are thinking about the correct sentence, the conversation has already moved forward. And this creates a cycle. You hesitate, you speak less, you feel less confident. And because you feel less confident, you speak even less. But here is the good news. This cycle can be broken. And it can be broken faster than you think. The key is not to study more. The key is to train your brain differently. From today, you need to stop thinking of English as a subject. English is not a subject. It is a skill. And every skill in life improves only when you practice it in real conditions. If you want to become a confident English speaker in the UK, You need to simulate real-life speaking situations every single day. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Start with something very simple. Every day, for just 10 minutes, create a small English environment around yourself. You do not need anything complicated. You do not need expensive courses. All you need is consistency. Begin by listening to natural English for a couple of minutes. It could be a short conversation, a simple video, or even a dialogue. But do not just listen passively. Pay attention to how people speak. Notice their tone, their speed, and the way they connect words. After listening, pause the audio and try to repeat the idea in your own words. Not the exact sentence, your own version. This is extremely important because it trains your brain to think, not memorize. At first, it may feel difficult. You may struggle to find the right words, but that struggle is exactly what builds your speaking ability. Now comes the most powerful part. Speak out loud. Yes, even if you are alone. Talk about your day. Talk about what you see around you. Talk about your plans. It does not matter if your sentences are perfect. What matters is that you are training your brain to express ideas without fear. Because the more you speak, the more your brain adapts. Now imagine this. Instead of being silent in real conversations, your brain starts responding automatically. Instead of overthinking, you start reacting naturally. This transformation does not happen overnight, but it begins the moment you start practicing correctly. Another powerful technique is something very simple, but incredibly effective. It is called thinking in English. Right now, most of the time, your brain thinks in your native language and then translates into English. This process creates delay. It slows you down. But when you start thinking directly in English, everything becomes faster. You can practice this anywhere, while walking, while sitting, while doing daily tasks. Just describe what you see in English. Even simple sentences are enough. I am walking down the street. The weather looks cloudy. I need to finish my work today. These small thoughts train your brain to stay in English mode, and slowly, something amazing begins to happen. Your brain stops translating. It starts responding. Now let's talk about fear, because this is something that holds many people back. The fear of making mistakes, the fear of being judged, the fear of sounding wrong. But here is the truth. In the UK, most people do not expect you to speak perfect English. They understand that you are learning. What they care about is communication, not perfection. Even native speakers make mistakes. They pause, they repeat themselves, they change sentences in the middle. This is completely normal. Language is not about perfection. It is about connection. So instead of trying to be perfect, focus on being clear. Focus on expressing your idea. Even if your sentence is not perfect, if the other person understands you, then you are communicating successfully. Now imagine your future. Imagine yourself a few months from now. You are in the same situations, same environment, same people. But this time, something is different. You are not silent anymore. You are not overthinking. When someone speaks to you, you respond naturally. You smile. You continue the conversation. And for the first time, you feel like you truly belong. That moment is not far away, but it requires one decision, a simple decision, to stop waiting and start practicing. Because your English is already fine. You already understand more than you think. The only thing missing is confidence in speaking. And confidence is not built by thinking, it is built by doing. So from today, change your approach. Speak more. Think less. Practice daily. And most importantly, trust yourself. Because the ability to speak English fluently is not something special. It is something that your brain can learn, just like any other skill. And once your brain learns it, everything changes.